Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make GIF in Canva. You can make a GIF in Canva with multiple ways. I will show you a couple of ways so that you can make GIF using your Canva account, whether it is a pro account or it is a free account. So first you can add a canvas in your Canva account. Let's say I am getting a canvas, let's say Instagram run post. This is actually my canvas size, and now I want to add something very interesting in my canvas. Let's say cute cat. So I want to add an image. Let's say this image. Now remove the background of the image. Now add a text. Hello, and changing the font of the text, make it slightly larger. Now I can just animate this image and this text. To animate your text, click on the text and click the animation, and you will see a lot of animation template here. You can check. Let's say I want to add this animation in my text, and again you can add animation to your image. So click the image and click the animation, and here you will see a lot of different types of animation. So you can add any of them, or you can in fact add custom animation. I think it's good. Or you can also add custom animation. So how you can add custom animation? Click on the image and you will see there is a option create an animation. Click here, and you need to just drag the ship and then drag on the image, and it will animate on the path where you are dragging the image. So I'm doing this, shift, pressing the shift button, and now just making this. So this is a custom animation. Now I can just download the image from here. Click the share button and click download, and you need to select it as a GIF. And now I want to just download the image from here. You can also just preview the image from here. So this is the preview of the image, and now you can just download it as a GIF file. Download. So it will take a couple of seconds to process. Once done, you will get the GIF animation of your image. So this is the first method. So download has been completed here, and I can check it. So this is the GIF which I have created from the Canva. Now we can make the GIF in another way. So deleting everything, and let's say I want to make a GIF from a, I am taking a title here. Hi there. Adjusting the font, and now taking an element, let's say this image and removing the background, and just duplicate the image, one, two, three. Just change the color. First one is background white, second one's background is, let's say, black, and make the font color white. And the third one, I want to make the color as, let's say, this color. The next one is, let's say, red. And now I can click here and set the time 5 seconds, just 5 seconds, and apply to all pages. Now I can just download it. So select the GIF form, and here you should select all pages, and now just click. You should select all pages from here, click done button, and click download button. Once done, we will see the result. So this is basically multiple page with a single variation. You can also use this method to make a GIF using Canva. So this is the second method of making a GIF using Canva. Now I will show you the third method, making a GIF from a video. So to do this, first get a canvas from Canva, and this time I will take template as a video. Now click here. This template is a video template, and now I can add a video here. Cute cat fun. So click the video, select your preferred video, or you can upload your video here. So this one is perfect for me, and adjust the video size. Now select the person you want to make GIF. So I think this person is pretty good. The first few seconds, I can now play it. Just you can preview it. You can add a text here, or just so select the font you like. Now animate your text. Okay, so everything is done. Now you can just click here, share button, click the download button, and select GIF, and just download your creation. Wait a couple of seconds. In this method, you can add your own video and select the person, let's say a funny moment person you want to add in a GIF. So you can use this method to make your funny GIF. So the file is downloading here. Once download is complete, I will show you. Download has been completed. Now you can see the result. So this is the GIF from a video. So that's it. These ways you can make GIF from any types of image, text, or from any types of videos using Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment. If you have any request, you can also ask me to make videos on that topic.